The journey of a glass bottle begins with silica sand, the primary ingredient. Soda ash significantly lowers the melting point of the sand, conserving vital energy. Limestone is added to enhance durability and prevent the glass from dissolving in water. Recycled glass, known as cullet, reduces raw material consumption and carbon emissions. These precise raw materials are carefully weighed and expertly mixed in the batch house. The uniform blend is critical for the clarity, strength, and consistency of the final product. The prepared batch is then transported towards the intense heat of the melting furnace. Inside the furnace, temperatures exceeding 1,500 degrees Celsius transform solids into a viscous liquid. This colossal furnace operates continuously, producing a steady flow of molten glass around the clock. The molten glass flows into the forehearth, where its temperature is precisely conditioned for forming. Here, a precise amount of molten glass, called a gob, is cut and prepared for molding. The incandescent gob drops into the blank mold, initiating the bottle forming process. For wide-mouth containers, the press and blow method uses a plunger to shape the initial parison. Robotic arms swiftly transfer the glowing parison from the blank mold to the final blow mold. The precision molds close securely around the glass, preparing it for its final shape. Compressed air is then blown into the parison, forcing it to expand and conform to the mold's interior. A fully formed, glowing bottle is ejected, now ready for the crucial annealing process. These nascent bottles, still extremely hot, begin their journey towards controlled cooling. To relieve internal stresses, bottles enter the annealing layer, a specialized heat treatment oven. Inside, temperatures are gradually reduced, allowing the glass molecules to realign without cracking. Emerging from the layer, the bottles are now significantly cooler and structurally sound. Each bottle undergoes initial visual inspection for any obvious visible defects. Automated optical systems meticulously scan for imperfections in the bottle's critical neck and finish. Advanced vision systems examine the entire bottle surface, detecting even microscopic flaws. Automated gauges ensure that every bottle meets precise dimensional specifications for height and diameter. A polarimeter reveals residual stresses within the glass, confirming proper annealing and structural integrity. Any bottle failing these rigorous quality checks is immediately removed from the production line. Only bottles that pass all quality control stages proceed to the final packaging area. Robotic arms efficiently stack the finished bottles onto pallets, layer by precise layer. Each loaded pallet is securely stretch-wrapped to protect the bottles during transport and storage. Forklifts transport the completed pallets to the vast storage areas within the facility. The finished bottles await distribution in a vast network of organized warehouses. Ready for their next destination, the bottles are carefully loaded onto waiting trucks. From here, they journey to bottling plants around the world, fulfilling their purpose. Rejected bottles and collected glass are recycled, becoming cullet for new production cycles. The liquid glass, a blend of ancient elements, holds the potential for countless forms and uses. Each bottle stands as a testament to precision engineering and advanced material science. Day and night, the rhythmic creation of glass bottles continues unabated in the factory. From raw minerals to a flawless vessel, the modern glass bottle is a marvel of industrial artistry.